Hey there guys, Savage Gamer 1998 here. I got a package in the mail. As you can see, I've already opened it up. So right now, I'm gonna unwrap it from this bubble wrap. I got a little pinch roller for one of my VCRs. I had to tear this open. Yep, there it is. Yep. It is a pinch roller for a Mitsubishi VCR. Well, specifically, bought it for this VCR right here. I've had this for a year and never got around to repairing it. Oh, and you do not want to know the struggle I went through to get that pinch roller. So, I'm going to pause the video right here and get my tripod. Alright, now the camera is set on a tripod and I am going to get a flathead to get that thing out. And if you hear like any squealing noise in the background, just ignore it. House is being pressure washed. Okay. So I am using some pliers for this for some reason because I want to get that thing off. Okay, maybe I better do something a little more. Oh, there we go. Got it. See, this little metal piece is attaching this plastic piece to the top of the pinch roller shaft. So now to place this on and see what we get. Alright. I don't think it's the same shape as that one. But let's give it a shot, see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm going to be a little bit upset. Oh, whoop. Uh-oh. Okay, where's this? Oh, there we go. I was like, what the heck? Alright, let's try it again. Uh-oh, that doesn't look too good. Huh. Why is it doing that? Huh. Don't know if I need to help it or anything. Oh, shit. Maybe something just needs to be aligned. Alright, so I've done some realigning to the pinch roller mechanism, and I think I got it working well now. So we're gonna take a look at the inside. Hold on. Alright. So we got it working and tape's moving. So let's see if the functions work. Alright. Yep. I apologize for the noise in the background. Alright. Well, looks like I got this thing working now. Let's see if eject works without eating the tape. Yep, works. It didn't eat the tape. Let's try this one more time before ending this video off. Alright. Well, this machine looks like it's fixed. I'm going to test the video quality off camera, so thank you guys for watching, and a review on this VCR will be soon.